Hi, I'm Andy from Heritage Parts Centre, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the front disc overhaul kit. Heritage Parts Centre have put together this front disc overhaul kit for the T2 bay window made between 1973 and 1979, not only to save you time hunting around for the parts that you require, but also to save you money. This kit includes 2 brake discs and the retaining bolts, as well as the 2 brake hoses and the set of brake pads, enough for both sides, as well as the brake pad fitting kit. This is a straightforward job which can be done at home with the correct tools. It's also advisable to change the brake fluid at the same time. More information can be found about this on our website.